is more than 10 feet long. If you talk about the rocket, this is also 10 feet long rocket that has, and the impact is clearly visible in this entire area. This raises a serious security concern in the minds of the people across the country because first they attack with drones, militants have access to drones. Now they have indigenously developed rockets which are at least 9 to 10 feet long.
This is not the first time. It was happened in the early, in the first week of the August. But then also more than 8 to 10 feet, I think. They have only started this type of weapons, and only all the Indian forces has been looking after on this. But the jurisdiction who has fire from there, it has controlled by the Indian forces.
And if we talk about the involvement of foreign hand, because the high-tech drones were used on 1st and 2nd of September in Sesam Sirang area, and today we are witnessing this long-range rockets being fired. Do you think that there is a